Push play. Can you hear me? Am I coming through? Hello? What's up, peoples of the world? I'm almost done with my cleaning. You can tell I've actually started early. Look, all my benches are clean, sort of, and I'm almost done. And then we can get started on some other stuff. I've got some ideas today, some fun projects. Well, not yet, Fire Pinto. Not yet. I still got a little to do. But pretty much cleaned it all up already. And that's a good thing for you guys. You're lucky I got out here. I got a few things to pick up yet, and I'm going to hook up this box you see on the floor, which you can't see on the floor. So I quit tripping my breaker out, hopefully that way. I've got a few things to do yet. And then I'm going to try to fix that welder again real quick, because I need it for the experiment today. I'm going to try to make a high voltage, high amperage circuit. No idea if it's going to work, but we will try it for the arc chamber. It'll be fun. What's up? XR wants pre-show. What are you talking about? That's what I was thinking, Electro. It's a bad deal. It's funny. That's because somebody was talking about boobs last time we started. Who was that? Oh boy. Already off to a bad start, guys. Come on. That's funny. As long as you're having fun, that's what matters. It's all good. Alright, I pretty much got all this crap cleaned up. Don't really have anything out. I'm going to wire this thing up. I've got this. I don't have a plug, so I'm just going to wire it up direct. I got a 220 plug here that goes to this box that came out of a server. This will give me 24 amps, 120 volts, and it's 2.88 kilovolt amps. It's got a breaker, main breaker on the back, so it's like a really highly powerful, you know, one of those things you plug in crap to. I was hoping to mount it somewhere, but I think what I'm going to do is just leave it out so I can just kind of do what I want with it. Or I might mount it on the bottom of this table for now. That's what I'm going to do first. So I'm going to mount this camera over here so you can actually see where I'm going, because my power comes in way over yonder. I'm going to be over there in the corner. That'll be alright right there. That'll be good enough. You can't see anything anyway. Okay. Copy that. Don't worry about it, Hexer. It's a secret. Just kidding. For the single cylinder engine. Floaty Boaty's doing some very basic single cylinder engine timing application. Hopefully it'll work out just fine the way we were thinking. Oh my, this bag's a mess, huh? No. I got a 30 amp breaker. This rack is 24 amps. 240 volt input. And then it's 120 out. So it'll be just fine. If I had a 220 plug, I'd just wire my plug up and just plug it into the wall. I got 4 of these things out of server towers. And I would have rather put a plug in, but I didn't have one, so we'll hardwire it, then I'll unwire it, rewire this, wire that, and I'll do that another day, but I want to do this today because I keep tripping my breaker. Bad deal. No worries. No, I don't have milk. It makes me crap. You asked, you got an answer. I'm taking my hat off. My hair is going to poof up like a wild man, but it's hot out here. You're just going to have to deal with the mad scientist look today, okay? Deal with it. Yeah, I got 4 of these things, and then 2 of them, actually have 6, but 2 of them are real stupid. They got backwards plugs on them. You got to have a weird plug, and it's 220 out to the server rack and whatever. It's not very good. And it is thunderstorming around here. Lightning pretty good. So I got battery backups on everything, but I'm not guaranteeing nothing ain't gonna happen. You never know. You never know what's gonna happen around here. No. Okay. Hold on, guys. Let me try something here. Whoops. That didn't work out. Alright. I'm trying to see if I can get this text bigger. Oh. I don't have a scroll. Oh, yeah, I do. Oh, that's big, alright. Oh, yeah. Oh! Oh, man. Hexar, I need a page dedicated just to this chat room so I can make it like ginormous on my screen. I'm having a hard time reading it. I'm sure I could just go somewhere else, but when I zoom in, everything just gets compressed, so it's not helpful. I'm hoping. I think I'm just going to mount it somewhere, but I need a longer cord, but I don't have any cord. This is some heavy duty. This is only a 3-wire. A hot and a ground, or a hot and a ground, which is neutral. I need to get some 4-wire. And I have no idea how I'm supposed to get this over there. I might just wire it in and just leave it like that. Yeah, I don't know. I'm debating. Should probably hardwire it. Yeah, I'll hardwire it behind this cabinet. I'm gonna try real hard anyway. See what happens. This might not work out so well. Or at all. If I I need a rod. Piece of metal. This might work. One way or another, I'll get it back behind there. One way or another. Need some tape. I have no idea. Oh! Yeah. What? Fire Pinto, you make no sense. I don't think I have any tape. Oh, I got some of this. I guess I could use it. Oh, here's some. I found it. Quit looking, guys. I knew it. I knew I'd find it. Alright. Let's go fishing. There goes my drill. Oh well. It's just a slightly expensive drill. No worries. It bounced right off the tip. Oh well. It'll be just fine. Oh man. Scratched my ring against the wall. Oh, come on. Yeah, that ain't working out so well. I could be here all day. Need a longer rod. Oh wow. That tape didn't last long. Let's find a longer rod. I got one somewhere. Oh! Maybe. Here's a longer rod. Alright, that'll work. I'll get it done eventually. Keep blowing the fuse. See, Fire Pinto, isn't this more fun than watching me clean, watching me fight this? It's gotta be better. The vacuum is with me. Well, that thing you sent me, electro, that came with the vacuum pump. That's freaking awesome, but I don't have $2,000. Anybody have $2,000 they could let me have? That'd be great. Now I'm getting pissed. Come on. Easy does it. There. I think it's over there. Because it's stuck. Uh-oh. I lost my mic, but I got it. Oh, great. Now it's stuck on the other side. Awesome. Yeah, gotta start somewhere, I guess. This is when a viewer doesn't help much. I'd rather have a second hand. Maybe it's just... there we go. Got it. I knew I could do it. Alright. Now I got a bent stick. That's okay. Woo! What? What's up, Bill? Bill made it again. I wonder if he's going to respond to any of my talking this time. Bill? You going to talk to me this time? Oh, a golf ball. Alright. Yeah, this will be really, really nice for my experimentation I'm doing here. What? I want to help, Russ. What do you want to do? What? Just come on over. We're getting somewhere. No worries. Let's see how long of a... I've already got a place for it. I think it'll fit in there. I'll have to cut back a lot of this, man. That sucks. Yeah. Awesome. What? All is well, my friend. No worries, my friend. No worries at all. Now, if something happens, I'm in a live panel, so yeah. I could go turn it off inside. I might have to. Well, no, I'm on the breaker side. I should be fine. Just worried about my neutral. Yeah, it should be fine. It's grounded. It's ran right to the ground. Should be. Maybe it's not. Oh well. Here we go. I don't need luck, but I sure don't want to get hurt. That's a conduit connector. I might put a zip tie on that. That connector that's already in there is a contact connector, or a conduit connector. Put a zip tie around it. It won't go nowhere. I wonder why it's so big. That explains it. Alright. There we go. I need this work. Humada. I got a blue wire, a brown wire, and a green and yellow wire. I am going to find my safety glasses, because if this does arc, I want my eyes to be covered, that's for sure. I shouldn't have any troubles here, but you can't be too safe, you know? You really can't be too safe. If you are too safe, that's a good thing. See, I can take my breaker out, wire it up, then stick it in. I'm not too concerned. Let me double check this thing, you know. I'm sure it's 220 in. Maybe it's not. I know the other ones are. It's 220 plug. Unless they got them wired stupid. Oh, there's a 120 volt plug. How about that crap? Oh, that's interesting. Let's see what these other ones are. Maybe I should use one of those. Oh, they're on the floor. Well, that's cool. It is a 120. Let's take it apart and make sure. That'd have been pretty sparks, wouldn't it? First thing I done, I hooked that up and went poof! Oh yeah, cool. It's got suppression capacitors in it. That's nice to know. See, I got that is a 120. That's a 120 plug twist lock. Interesting. I'll just hook it up through one leg then, and let it be at that. I should probably go unplug this, turn this thing off though. If I get into that hot bar. I don't know if I can do that. Oh yeah, just neutral. Oh, that's fine. I'll be fine. I'll hook it up to one leg. It'll be 15 amps. For now. I don't think I got another breaker. Let me see, maybe I got another breaker. Here's another 30 amp. Hey, look, there's a 220 plug. That's a weird looking 220 plug. That'd have been neat if I plugged that in. It would have went kaboom. Alright. I'm alright with one leg 30 amp. I don't think that's going to be an issue. Not for today's experimentation anyway. I can always get another one. I think the brown one's a hot. Let me double check. Yeah, brown one goes through the breaker. So the blue one's neutral. So it'll be a 15 amp or will it still be 30 amp? I don't know. I'm only using one leg of this 30 amp breaker. I'm really not concerned. I think it'll be just fine. It's got an internal breaker in it. I could theoretically wire it direct, but I don't want to do that. This is a 15 amps. Full load amps. Trip amps is 18.8. So that'll be alright. This is really just good for a dead short. So this is a true ground. It's good to know. That's good to know. Let's see here. Watch where I put my hands. Friggin' lightning bolt. That'd be awesome right now, wouldn't it? I could hit any telephone pole to get my butt whooped. The rain went right around us. It's all over me, but it ain't raining here yet. Which is fine with me. Okay. Now, my neutral. The neutral is not tied together in this panel, only at the main. Which is always kind of weird for some people. It is kind of weird. The way they have it hooked up, that's the way they got them. All of them supposed to be like that. Alright. Got those two connected. Plug my breaker in. Should have routed it around it. Oh, it'll be alright. Alright, here we go. I got it off. In we go. Put this panel on before I turn it on, as you should always do, especially when you're wiring something new. Always put the panel back on, because if it does spark, you'd be better off having the spark contained inside of this housing and not on the outside. There we go. Alright. Alright. Ready? And on. Power lights on. I should probably check my voltage just to make sure. I got a power light on back here, but it doesn't care if the breaker remains on. It's kind of cool. It just always indicates it's on. Alright, let's see how much voltage I got. This will be very helpful for my experiments because I kept blowing that breaker last time and I didn't hardly have anything on, which was crappy. $120. Perfect. I'm grounded. I'm good there. Let's try a continuity check cross ground. Want to? Four ohms. Alright. Game on. Alright, now I'm paying attention. What are you guys talking about over here? Oh great, Hexter's giving my email out. No! No, you're fine. Let's see. I gotta go see what you guys are talking about up here. Jelly beans! Oh yeah, you like this music? Well, guess what? I don't like Who Stink. It's just on Pandora. But thanks anyway. I'll turn it up so you can hear the other songs I might like. Alright, so I'm all wired up. I'm gonna pull this out a little bit. I was hoping that this would actually reach to that cabinet. Looks like it won't, so for now I think I'm just going to screw it right onto the bottom of this one. Think that'll work? Screw it right there. Let's see here. I'm going to have to move my other stuff. Oh. Yeah, that's awesome. That's already helpful. I got some aisle brackets here somewhere I brought home from work. Scrap. Maybe. Oh, there's that box. Oh! Let's see what I got in here. Oh, that's not what I thought it was. Oh well. Now I know. Gotta learn somehow. I have some L brackets somewhere, real nice little bitty L brackets. I'm about to go get them, I guess. A bunch of stuff in this bucket. I didn't know I had. Yeah, my friend. I can talk with you on the phone sometime. I am hard to get a hold of. But, just send me an email. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, if you add me to Skype, you can post my Skype name on here if you want, whoever. Add me to Skype's the best, easiest way. I'm gonna go grab those brackets I need. I'll be right back. See, like, I don't like this song very much. Not my friend. And just for that, I'm thumbs down in this song. Maybe, if I can find it. There it is. I don't care. You're done. Deal with it. I'll be right back. Break time. Muting. Be right back. Ah, I'm back. What? What are we selling? Yes. An investment I will not receive. You can take your investment and invest somewhere else if you'd like. I am not an investment. Okay, Blaine. Cool beans. No worries. Alright. Oh. Looks like there used to be a spot here in the front on the side. I don't have any screws for that. I should probably turn the camera because you guys can't see what I'm doing. Too bad. Ah, there you go. Jelly beans! There you go. Timer is ready, he says. Okay. I will do something. I didn't even go buy it. I don't even have an Arduino yet. The one that we were going to use. I have to get it too. I think that's the wrong thread size, but it sure looked like it was going to go. Yeah. That doesn't look right. Awesome. Some metric. And that does not feel right. Oh, yeah, raw bush, the bigger one. I want to get a bigger one. They have them at Radio Shack now. You want to get a Mega 256. Just because I need a different one. Also, another one. I got the one, and I need another one, so I don't have to take that one off and on and off and on all the time. That's the main reason. Oh, I thought I had two of those. I did have two of those. Where'd it go? Another lost item again today. Crap. Oh, is it Fire Pinto? So I gotta get two of them. Or something. What did I do? I thought I had two of those. Oh well. This one will fit. I'll just use it. I gotta get 2 of them Fire Pinto if I need cause I got to build the Arduino that the printer that that Jeff has printed out. Sent me a hot end. I didn't have a chance to make a video yet. Sent me one he made. Very cool. Really cool. Sorry, I'm trying to find some washers. Look at my mic again. Don't you hate it when you don't have the right hardware? I do. I hate it. It drives me crazy. There we go. This will work, though. Perfect. Perfect. My last job I had a guy there that always fixed those batteries and UPSs. I told him to save me the bolts, so I have like hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of these 2 bolts with 2 washers and a lock nut in packages that are for electrical conduction. So they're really nice, actually. A lot of them were stainless steel. These look like they're copper coated something or another. So that was pretty sweet. My tool bag up. My tool bag. Where's my tool bag? Okay. Now I can mount it. Huh. That screw rolled down that cord about a foot before it fell off. It's funny. That's funny. Rock on. That's awesome. Roger Dodger. New power strip. Awesome. Alright. Now I guess I'll test it. Talk, chat. What are you guys talking about? Me? Oh, good. And I can't pay attention. Awesome. That's fine. Look at that power strip. Oh, I'm excited. You know what I could do? I could mount a... I'm not going to do it now, but I could mount another one of these under this table and replace the plug on here with a standard 110 plug. That would be easier. I thought these were 220, but that's okay. Whatever. The only thing I might check is which leg I hooked that to, because I might hook it to a different one I got everything else on. That might be a good idea. Huh? Alrighty. Whoops, what was that? See, I got that one. And I got this one, and I got this one. I got 3 of these, 4 of these, and then I got 2 that are really stupid looking. They're 220. They're all weird. Pretty much useless for what I'm trying to do. Can't plug anything into them. Awesome. Now back to work I go. I don't know what you guys are talking about. It looks interesting, that's for sure. Alright. Let's give this outlet a test. See, and then what I was going to do is plug a power strip into that, use it as a switch. These are like remote detonators. You know what I mean? You plug it in, and you can hold it. Bow! Let's try some high voltage AC. Want to? Ready? Fire and hold. Nothing. Maybe I gotta turn it on. Let's see. Yeah. Ready? Fire and hold. I love the way that looks. So pretty. It's so pretty. Good. Now I got power. Melting my plastic. So pretty. 56 minutes. Gee whiz. Get back to your science. Get back. exactly what it's what I always wanted. This thing's making noise. Alrighty, so what I plan on doing, I was going to do something before I started. I don't remember what it was, but that's okay. Probably just finished cleaning this table off. I want to hook up a new circuit I'm going to try, and I gathered up all my flybacks that I had and I tested about half of them. So far they all worked. Now I know a lot of people wrap their own wire around these flybacks, and that's fine, but I really don't understand why they do that. I think that's dumb to an extent. It's dumb to an extent. It's not dumb, but it is dumb. It's smart depending on what you're trying to do. I would rather use the primary that's already in it, and then I don't have to worry about it. So here are my flybacks. I got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of them in this box, and I got 4 of them over here on the table, and one that I burned up last time we were playing. And I'm going to try something I've never seen anybody else do, and that is just run one of these flybacks right off of a MOSFET, driven by a MOSFET. So I'm going to pick out 4 of these I've already got marked. I think that one's an AC there. Huh. That one marks, but I don't think that one's right. There you go, that one's good. Some of these I haven't got to yet. I'll just try these 2 for starters. This one's marked, but I don't think that's right. I guess all we can do is try it. I don't think that's right. I'll just use these 2, and I've got 4 over here that are identical. I'm going to try it on some that are not identical, and then see what I can come up with. Oh, Fire Pinto. What'd you do that for? You didn't have time? You didn't have time or tools? What was it? Time or tools? I gotta put these other glasses on. This thing hurt my face. Hurt my face. Yeah. I have to go in and get my other ones. Also, I got some dark ones out here. My wife probably took them and hid them because I left them inside somewhere. She probably put them somewhere in the corner where I could never find them. Okay. I am going to move just a few pieces and parts here. Oh, I was going to fix that welder. That is, I need it for my experiment. Let's do that first. I knew I was going to do something first. Couldn't remember what it was. That's what it was. Yeah. See, the 555 timer deal is this box that I've got. Works really well. It's the Lawton circuit, but it drives the flyback really well. With a high power MOSFET output anyway. And I'm going to run 4 MOSFETs with diodes with that puppy. And what I really want to do the ultimate ending of the experiment, actually, would be to hook up all 4 of them in series. If they all put out about 25,000 volts, and I should be able to get about 100,000 volts out. But I brought 2 TVs in here. They're right here beside me. You can't see them. And what I was going to do is take those TVs apart, turn them on because they still work, and check the signals going to the flyback. I would actually like to drive them somewhat to the same frequency and pulse width and amplitude that they originally are driven with. That's kind of one of my goals today, is to find out exactly what those are driven with. I mean, like exactly how. Alright, I'll move a few things here. Cool, I'm excited about this new power strip I got. It's going to be so much handier than dragging extension cords across the room, which is what I've been doing since I've been out here. Freaking crazy. Oh, I can't get this in there now. Oh, come on. What am I hitting? Oh, I'm hitting a cord. A little bit tighter fit now. That's okay. It fits, that's all that matters. I won't need it today anyway. So, how is everyone doing? How is everyone doing? Jelly watts. 1.1 Jelly watts. Who started the jelly bean thing? What's this all about? Jelly watts. Somebody talking about jelly bean stuff today. Great Scott. Check out, if you guys haven't, check out the Voltzilla videos again. One of them at the very ending has some close-up shots of my electric motorcycle, and the theme is Back to the Future, and you'll quite clearly see that if you take a look. It's pretty funny. I've got the flux capacitor on there, and I've got all the... I think I've got 2 quotes from the movie on there. It's funny. I think I got it figured out. I've been trying to find a way to get high current, high voltage across the same circuit, and the theory is, and I got to thank my friend Dave for even bringing this up, and I think it's exactly the same way a TIG welder works, but basically, if I can create a high voltage arc, then I should be able to dump current across that plasma field. So if I start the arc with like one of these and sustain it with a flyback, then I should be able to run high current across that plasma arc. Once I start the process, I should be able to continue running it like that. So that's the theory. Oh no, I got it, Floaty Boaty. I got it. I just haven't replied, but I got it. I've been trying to find my LCD screens. I know sort of where they are, and I couldn't find the one I was looking for, so I gotta get that stuff to you. I'll try to get it tomorrow. Send it out tomorrow. I might wait till Tuesday because I gotta ship, or Wednesday maybe, because I gotta ship a bunch of stuff out. I just want to go once. I'd like to just go once. I got it though, sitting there in my email, in my inbox. Let's see here. I'm gonna put these at. Set them down here, I guess. I'm gonna go make some coffee. Anybody want any coffee? Anybody up for coffee? 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 getting somewhere now. I'm starting to see the light on my table. And I need to change out some stupid light bulbs in my... Oh. What? Oh no. Two of them. One of them's bad. I don't know if I got any out here, but one point of time I did. It's right over my bench. It's out. Won't be needing any of this. It's all being put away. The only thing I did get clean before the show started. I've been out here for 2 hours. I got out here about 9 something. Trying to get this place cleaned up so you didn't watch me clean for 2 hours, because that would be stupid. That's how much time I've had. I just haven't had any. It is what it is. I'm only one guy, you know. I'll do my best. Huh. 120 plug, 30 amps, 3-prong. That'd have been neat if I'd have plugged that into a 220. I guess it wouldn't have fit. It might have. I don't know. I really don't know. Might have fit. Okay. This thing. Why did I keep this? Oh yeah, I was going to take the knob off. I'll take it off later. I'll wipe my table off. It's so clean. You have no idea how long I've been wanting to get out here and clean this place up. Haven't had time. I literally haven't had time to do anything. I mean, I got a lot of other stuff done, but I haven't had time to come out here. This time, last time I got all bent out of shape because it was really late and I was really tired. This time, we will get this to work. It's real simple. I just was too tired, I guess, last time. This welder has a giant induction coil here to limit the current. So that's one reason I want to fix this thing real quick. It's got a thermal on it, and then it had a capacitor across it, so that, well, I don't know why, but it's got some feedback circuitry, and I'm wondering if the reason it didn't work right last time is because I didn't have the circuitry hooked up right. Where is that cap? Ow. Huh, I don't know where it went. But I grabbed some more diodes, and I guess this was a full wave bridge rectified. Oh, there's the cap. Right here. It used to be a full wave bridge rectifier, and I figured you could just do a standard bridge, but maybe it has some sort of a feedback signal. I'm not sure why it would do that, but it did, and it did it real well. That made me real mad. Man, I gotta fix that lighting. Because you guys can't see nothing. Ooh, spider. Oh, the light fell out. I guess that's when it exploded that day. Remember? I had my little explosion. Oh, look at that, it lights right on up. Look at that crap. And plug that bulb in, it comes on. That's neat. I wonder who designed that. Plug a bulb in, it works. What kind of crap is that? Alright. Is that better? Can you guys see a little better now? It's gotta be a little better. Smoky chocolate. Chocolate pot. What? Doritos? Alright. You guys can see a little better now. Wow, that definitely got melted, didn't it? Huh. Okay. I need to put a new clip on this thing. Alright. Let's try to get this done real quick, and hopefully this time it turns on and works. Last time it was throwing me fits. So I've got some pictures on my phone. I guess I'll get it back out of how this was originally connected. Oh, something hurts my butt. Where's my towel? Someone has a round cushion that fits on this old spool. Please send it to me. I need it. I need it bad. Alright, good enough. Let's see here. That was a couple of weeks ago. There's about 100 pictures beyond that now. Maybe more than 100 pictures. There they are. Alright, so I got the top and the top. Okay. So the two bars are hooked up to, it's probably my output. These two bars are connected to the diodes, and these plates are the exit. That's DC, and that's AC. Or I'm sorry, positive and negative. So that means I'm gonna draw this because I really did get this all screwed up last time. I mean, it was so screwed up. I was bent out of shape by the time that was over. And I don't have any paper. I got towels. The best things come off of towels. So, very simply, bridge should look like this. So this should be positive. This should be negative. This is AC. AC. Let's see. Let's see if you guys can tell me. Does this look right to you? I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but I'm gonna try real hard. Looks like my light's interfering with my camera. I think I can adjust that. Hold on. I can adjust the frame rate of which the camera receives its, or sends its output input. See if I can change it. Alright, good, Hexar. Thanks for that. And Fire Pinto. And error initializing. I just want the goods. Yeah, oh well. It used to pop up automatic. Oh, there, maybe it is open already. There we go. Alright, let's see if I can adjust this while I'm running. Flicker. Adjust the flicker. Let's try 50 Hertz. Did it do anything? I can zoom in though. Oh! My camera just pooped out real bad. You see that? Ouch. Is my camera still good? I think it died. I might have to restart. I don't know, Hexla. You're the expert. Figure it out. I'm gonna have to jump off the crazy train here and refresh. I'll be right back.